Okay, today I'm going to be doing a review of the Fitness Reality 810 XLT squat rack. And also a little assembly. So it's a great squat rack. I'm 5'7", and I can reach and just grab here. So it's just enough, but I'm not even off the ground. I've been doing exercises on it for like 2 weeks now. It's been great, pretty sturdy. Great squat rack. So for assembly, it's going to come with all the different pieces, lay them all out. And then what you're going to do is start by popping. It comes with 4 of these things. Just pop them in on these lower bars. They're the longer ones. Just do that before you start anything. And you have another one back there. And then on that side and that side. And then you're gonna have 2 of these things here. Just pop them on. And from there, then you're gonna take a few of there's gonna be 4 of these poles. And you're gonna need, for each of these, it's gonna be 2 bolts. So you're gonna need, I would just start with one side, and you're gonna need 4 total. So then just unscrew, pop these bad boys in, and it'll have a sticker that says up, so put that side up. And then pop these in, and get a 17mm socket wrench and ratcheting thing, because it's gonna make it way easier. So the tool that they give you, you just hold it here, it'll hold that, and then just ratchet this down, and then this will be in place. Do the same for there. And then once you have this thing, it'll just be these 2 poles standing, and then go on to the next one. You can just lay this one down. It helps to have 2 people to do this thing, makes it a lot easier. Do the exact same on this side. So there's gonna be, sorry, I don't know if you can see that, but there's gonna be 4 bolts, the same as last side. So it's gonna be 2 right there, and 2 right there, if you can see that. So once you get that, then you have these 2 posts. And then from there, what I did is I put these on. So this is the upper posts. I don't know how well you can see it because of the lighting, but there's the upper post. It's going to be another 2 and another 2, and then none on the top. So there won't be any on the top. And then from there, you'll have these, and you can do the exact same on the other side. So you're going to come over here and do the exact same. So it'll be 2 and 2. And then from there, you'll have these posts with the bottoms on and the thing going across. And then from there, what you can do is have, if you're working with someone, have someone hold this. And I would get something to stand on. And then it comes with these brackets. So I'm just gonna step up here. So it comes with these brackets. So this is mounted. Let's see if I can get light here. Yeah, so you can see it better here. So it comes like this pull-up bar. It's actually really nice. I love this thing. The pull-up bar. And then it comes with 4 brackets under here. So you're gonna put the pull-up bar on, put a bracket on, and from there, you're gonna put a bolt through the top. See how there's 2 bolts? So you can put a bolt through the top, put this bracket on, this extra bracket on here, and then tighten it up so that the bracket's on there, and then you're gonna feed another 2 through this side. So there's 2 right here, and then push them through, and you're gonna do the exact same thing, tighten it down, and then just repeat for all 4. So then one side will have the bar on, and then you're gonna, if you have it laying down, you're gonna lean this thing up, and then do the exact same thing on this side. So you're gonna have bolts on the top, and feed one through, and on this through this thing, and also this extra little bracket that they give you, and then just put 2 more through, and you have the 4 bolts like that. But don't tighten these down all the way yet. That was one of the big things that they say to not do. So get them like snug, and then once you're done with it, then you go back and tighten every single bolt. And from there, you're gonna have the squat cage pretty much assembled. All you really need to do at that point is there's gonna be 3 different, you'll see where the holes line up on this. But you're gonna put this, there's gonna be 2 of these bars. So there's one down here, and there's this one as well. So you're gonna put this bar on there. It helps to, if you have someone holding it, you're gonna take another one of these brackets. So these brackets are what go underneath here. So they're interchangeable. Doesn't really matter which one you put. So one there, one there, one there, one there of those brackets. And they come with 8. It comes with 8. So then you're gonna put this bracket on this side. You're gonna put this. This is one piece. It kind of has the same thing as a pull-up bar type of deal. And you're gonna put a bolt through there. It's gonna come out this side of this bracket, and you're gonna put 2 more through there. So then that'll be on. Do the exact same thing to this side. You're gonna have the same thing here. Bracket, bolt through the back. So you're gonna put the bolt through the back here. It's gonna come out that side, ratchet it down. And then you're gonna put 2 through here, and then just tighten them down there. And that's it, and then it's set up. And these things, let me get my bar off of here real quick. So these things are pretty easy. They're actually really nice. You just go here, put them in. Goes in, locks down. And then what I did is I numbered all these. I don't know if you could see it, but I numbered all these. So like I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way down. I did it on this post, that post, and that post. So everything is numbered. And then for me, like all I did is I sort of like, I just know like number 5 is my squat height that I want it at. So I don't really have to like figure it out each time. Like there's my incline, there's my flat bench and decline. And then it also comes with 2 safety bars that I have here. These safety bars just do the exact same thing. Show you real quick. So what you're gonna do is say you just want like a 14. You're just gonna put it through there. Slide it all the way through. Slide all the way through to the 14. Lock it down. And there they are. They're pretty solid, so they build a whole lot of weight. And then I got these mats for it underneath at TJ Maxx. They were $10 for like, I think it was $20 for all these mats here. So it's really nice. Yeah, overall super easy install. It took me and my mom an hour and 30 minutes to do it all, but that was with a ratchet set. So what they do is they give you 2 of these. They give you these tools, which honestly kind of suck, but this part here is kind of nice if you have someone doing it with you. They can just put it like that on the bolt, and then from there they just hold it and you just ratchet it down on this side. And I put all of these out facing outwards, and the part where you screw the bolt on at first on the inside. Yeah, and then there's like these little pieces that you just pop right in. I did these pop-in pieces first. I didn't even bother doing it later, like some people say to do, or in the instruction manual it says to do. Just pop them in right away. And remember, you have them down there, back there, there, there. And then you also have these little things right there that secure on as well. I don't know if you can see them very well because of the lighting. But yeah, other than that, it's pretty good. And then also have a lat pull-down attachment coming here in a couple days. So that'll be here in a couple days, and then I'll do a review video on that thing. And let me know if you have any questions or comments, just post them down in the comments below, and I'll answer them on assembly or anything like that if you have any questions. I hope this helped. And yeah, great rack. I got it off Amazon for $330 2 weeks ago. So great deal for it. I know some people said they got it for $100 or about like $200, but it's all right. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions or comments. I hope this helped.